Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on the 2017 Chevrolet Cruze. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with alloy rims, RS trim package and blacked out Chevrolet emblems. We also have our sunroof, backup camera, and 6-speed manual transmission. Now moving on to the interior of the Cruze, we'll take a look at the door panel, which features soft touch black foam up top, fabric trim, and our chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons, and mirror controls. Below we have our close handle and window controls. And under that we have our Bose speaker, storage, and power trunk release. Side of the seat we have our power seat adjustment. And off to the left of the steering wheel we have our daytime running light switch and interior lighting dimmer switch. Fabric continues across the dash. Our gauge cluster with screen in the middle. Controls for that are found off to the right of the steering wheel. And off to the left we have the cruise controls. Wheel is wrapped in a soft touch black foam with grips. Push start. Infotainment screen which displays our audio, projection for our phone, and OnStar navigation, to name a few. We go ahead and also put the vehicle in reverse to reveal our integrated backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Moving on to the shifter now, it is a 6-speed manual transmission. You can see to put it in reverse, we have the trigger at the front, pull over and then up. We also have our radio and climate controls, heated seats for driver and passenger, and then we have a USB and auxiliary input and 12-volt charging port, traction control, and our park assist. 2 cup holders and storage, as well as our manual park brake. Center console with leather lid. And the front seats are featured in black fabric. Again, they're heated, and we have a textured pattern in the lower portion. Above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar controls, dome lights and dome light settings, sunroof and moonroof controls, full black headliner, and sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now moving back onto the exterior of the Cruze, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge sensor caps. We also have our paint matched white mirror caps and door handles, chrome lock and unlock buttons on all of the 4 door handles around the vehicle, front and rear privacy tint and sunroof. We also have our paint matched rear fin antenna, Cruze LT badging and blacked out Chevrolet emblem. Inside we have plenty of storage room, and our handle overhead to close. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Cruze, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features our chrome door handle, fabric inlay, window switch, close handle, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our magazine holders, and the rear seats are featured in a 60-40 split bench with fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 Chevrolet Cruze. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.